Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the image and creating a duplicate layer so original pixels remain untouched. Use a high-quality editor or app that supports content-aware tools. Once done, zoom to 100% and identify the text area. You want a clear selection boundary. Use the lasso or rectangle selection to include a small margin. Make sure to sample surrounding texture and color now, because those choices determine the repair quality. Save a checkpoint before continuing. Now you perform the actual removal. With the selection active, run content-aware fill or use the patch tool to replace text with sampled background. If the tool offers parameters, choose closer sampling and neutral color adaptation for subtle transitions. Work in small sections to avoid repeating patterns and use a cloned or healed brush at 50–80% opacity to blend seams. Once you see texture matching, toggle the duplicate layer visibility to compare with the original and adjust as needed. Finish by refining edges and subtle texture. Switch to a small healed brush to remove tiny artifacts and use clone stamps only sparingly to maintain grain. Once satisfied, apply minimal sharpening or gentle blur to match surrounding noise and flatten a working copy for export while keeping the layered file. If you notice repeating patterns or ghosting, undo the last few steps and work smaller, sampling from different nearby areas. This usually fixes visible repeats. Export at original resolution and quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.